Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the Toyota Hilux N70. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Attach the wind deflector using the supplied M8 bolts along with flat and spring washers. Tighten using a 6mm hex bit. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding in the sunglasses holder. Disconnect the light in the process. Remove the Phillips screws holding in the sun visor hinge and clip and set aside. Use a pick to expose the 2 Phillips screws on the roof handles and remove. Repeat this process for the other handles. Remove the A-pillar handle, peel off the door seal and pop out the A-pillar cover. Repeat on the other side. Use a pick to remove the cover on the front seat belt and undo the 14mm bolt. Remove the door seals and pop out the B-pillar cover. Repeat on the other side. Repeat this process for the rear seat belt as well, but just pop out the rear cover enough for the roof lining to drop. Remove the ceiling light cover and its 2 Phillips screws. Disconnect and set aside. Once everything is undone, gently lower the roof lining. Use a trim tool to remove the rubber covers along the roof. Loosely assemble the rails and feet together and install onto the roof rack using the included T-bolts and flange nuts. Lift it onto the vehicle and center it so it sits evenly in the middle of the cab. Use a tape measure to mark from the front edge of the windscreen to the front edge of the rail feet. In this case, we've measured 250mm. Mark the 2 drill points for the front rail feet. Use a punch along with a 3mm and 8.5mm bits to drill out the holes. Use an M8 bolt for reference for the hole size clearance, and then loosely secure to the vehicle. Reattach the rail with its rear foot still on and loosely secure to the vehicle. Then mark where the rear foot sits along with its drilling points. Repeat this process on the other side. Once all the holes are drilled, clean up any metal shavings with a vacuum. Then install the rail feet using the included hardware, spacers and rubber washers. Add a small bead of silicone sealant around the holes before adding the washers, spacer and rail feet to prevent water ingress. Then secure the bottom using the supplied clamping plates and nuts. Tighten using a 6mm hex bit and 13mm socket. Repeat this process for the remaining rail feet. Use an angle grinder to cut the factory roof rubbers and reattach each section using double-sided tape and silicone sealant. Cover with masking tape for 24 hours to allow the sealant to cure. Loosely attach the rails to the feet, making sure the front uses the top holes and the rear using the bottom holes. Lift the rack onto the vehicle, center it and then secure the T-bolts using the supplied flange nuts with a 13mm socket. Tighten the rail using a 6mm hex bit and 13mm wrench. Reinstall all the interior trim in the reverse process. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.